Welcome to the Belmore by Adenbrook Homes. With its captivating street appeal, this home features the visually striking Blake facade. Set across two spectacular stories, the Belmore challenges the norm and is a perfectly balanced home in tune with the needs of modern living. On the ground floor, you will find a most sought-after but rarely found bedroom that rivals the opulence of the upstairs master. Featuring a generous ensuite and large walk-in robe, this private oasis is perfect for guests. On entry from the double-car garage, you are greeted with a conveniently located mudroom that offers the perfect space to store your bags and shoes. From here, you can't help but get excited as you are led down the wide hallway to an impressive open-plan living area of spectacular proportions, showcasing an impeccably appointed gourmet kitchen with a large island bench and a spacious butler's pantry. A rear media lounge provides an additional living space, which gracefully merges out onto a grand alfresco, making year-round living and entertaining a breeze. The feature staircase leads you to the upper level, where you can immerse yourself through the double entry doors into an expansive master bedroom, exclusively private from the rest of the home. This parents' retreat includes a large walk-in robe and an elegant ensuite featuring a double vanity, high-quality tiles, privately enclosed toilet and spacious shower. Down the hall, you are greeted by a practical and stylish main bathroom, which features a large shower and full-size bath, perfect for growing families. Down this hallway, you will also find a conveniently and cleverly located study nook, perfect for work or study. This is complemented by a third living area, the ultimate space for kids of all ages to relax and unwind. Located across the upper level of this gorgeous home are three large bedrooms, all containing walk-in robes, with the rear bedroom having its own private balcony. Flawlessly appointed, the Belmore makes a statement by delivering luxury living and quality finishes throughout.